Okay, good morning once again, students, to all of you. Today we will discuss the chapter 2, our environment of the GK. So, without wasting time, we are directly going to the questions and answers. First question of chapter 2. This national park is home to the elusive and endangered snow leopard as well as sapu, barrel, and the ibex, among others. It is also India's largest national park. Name it. And the options are option A, Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Option B, Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Option C, Hemis National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. Option D, Gir National Park, Gujarat. And the right option is option C, Hemis National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere which makes the earth warmer. Which of these groups consists of greenhouse gases that cause most harm? And the options are option A, methane, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide. Option B, nitrogen, oxygen, methane. Option C, ozone, carbon monoxide, helium. Option D, water vapor, nitrogen, CFCs, which is known as chlorofluorocarbons. And the right answer is option A, methane, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide. Next question. The World Wildlife Fund, WWF, is one of the largest conservation organizations in the world. It seeks to conserve biodiversity and build a future where humans live in harmony with the environment. Which of the following animals is the symbol of WWF? And the options are option A, dodo, option B, giant panda, option C, bison, option D, Bengal tiger. And the right option is option B, giant panda. Next question. Which of the following gases is used as a reference to calculate global warming potential? And the options are option A, methane, option B, carbon dioxide, option C, carbon monoxide, option D, ozone. And the right answer is option B, carbon dioxide. Option B, it is carbon dioxide. Then next question. Fossil fuels are no longer the preferred sources of energy. The sun provides energy in many ways, directly and indirectly, which can be harnessed. Which of these is a form of energy that is not solar in origin? And the options are option A tidal, option B wind, option C deep geothermal, option D hydroelectric. And the right answer is option C deep geothermal. Next question. With which European country did India sign an implementation agreement for the rejuvenation of the Ganga under the Namami Gange program in April 2016? And the options are option A France, option B Italy, option C Germany, option D Sweden. And the right answer is option C Germany. Next question. During this nuclear disaster, which occurred in 1986, 400 times more radioactive material was released than by the atomic bombing of Hiroshima. Where did this environmental disaster occur? And the options are option A Fukushima, Japan, option B Chernobyl, Ukraine, option C Tokaimura, Japan, option D 3 Mile Island, USA. And the right answer is option B Chernobyl, Ukraine. Next question. In 1972, this legislation established schedules for protecting plant and animal species in India. Hunting or harvesting of these species was largely outlawed. Identify it. And the options are option A, the Forest Conservation Act, option B, the Wildlife Protection Act, option C, the Environment Protection Act, option D, the Kyoto Protocol. And the right answer is option B, the Wildlife Protection Act. Next question. The first recommended landfills were found in 3000 BC, which comprised waste that was placed in a pit and covered with dirt at different levels. Name the country in which it was found. And the options are option A Pakistan, option B Greece, option C Italy, option D Egypt. And the right answer is option B Greece. Next question. El Nino is an irregularly occurring series of climatic changes affecting the equatorial region of this ocean. Its effects are far-reaching, and it is known to cause deficient monsoons in India, which is the affected ocean. And the options are option A Atlantic Ocean, option B Indian Ocean, option C Arctic Ocean, option D Pacific Ocean. And the right answer is option D, Pacific Ocean. Next question. This environmental pollutant belongs to a group of dangerous chemicals known as persistent organic pollutants. The chemical name for this pollutant is 2378 TCDD. Name it. And the options are dibenzofurans, option B, biphenyls, option C, dioxin, option D, aldrin. And the right answer is option C, dioxin. Next question. World Environment Day, WED, is celebrated every year on June 5th. Every event has a theme like slogans. What was the theme for WED 2016? And the options are zero tolerance for the illegal wildlife trade. Option B, 7 billion dreams, one planet consume with care. Option C, connecting people to nature. Option D, one earth, one family. And the right answer is option A, zero tolerance for the illegal wildlife trade. Next question. Every biosphere reserve has a key faunal species. The key faunal species of Secession Hills and Knock Creek are respectively, and the options are option A, Nilgiri, Tar and Dugong, option B, Slender Loris and Red Panda, option C, Mesmi, Taking and Giant Panda, option D, Golden Langur and Sloth Bear. And the right answer is option B, Slender Loris and Red Panda. Next question. Which of the following animals is uplisted from endangered to critically endangered category in 2016 IUCN Red List? And the options are eastern gorilla, option B, giraffe, option C, duck-billed platypus, option D, giant panda. And the right answer is option A, eastern gorilla. Next question. The United Nations UN collaborative program on reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation in developing countries, UNREDD, is guided by its 2016 to 2020 strategic framework with the goal to reduce forest emissions and enhance carbon stocks in forests while contributing to national sustainable development. In which year was UNREDD program launched? And the options are option A, 1999, option B, 2015, option C, 2008, option D, 2006. And the right answer is option C, 2008. Next question. Which of the following environmentalists first gave the concept of biodiversity hotspots? And with the pictures, the names are given. Here are the options. Option A, Norman Mears. Option B, Gaylord Nelson. Option C, Charles Darwin. Option D, none of these. And the right answer is option A, Norman Mears. Next question. The Environment Protection Act of India was enacted by Parliament of India under Article 253 of the Indian Constitution. In which year was this act enacted? And the options are option A, 1976, option B, 1980, option C, 1986, option D, 1990. And the right answer is option C, 1986. Next question. Which of the following represents an incorrect match? And the options are option A, Bonn Convention, conservation of migratory species of wild animals. Option B, Cartagena Protocol. Biosafety to the Convention on Biological Diversity. Option C, Kyoto Protocol. Greenhouse gas emission reduction. Option D, Ramsar Convention. Chemical weapons. And the right answer is option D, Ramsar Convention, chemical weapons. Second last question. The first UN Climate Change Conference was held in 1995 in, the options are option A, Berlin, Germany, option B, Geneva, Switzerland, option C, Kyoto, Japan, option D, Lima, Peru. And the right answer is option A, Berlin, Germany. Last question. In which biosphere reserve lion-tailed macaque is a key faunal species? And the options are Nokrek, option B, Nilgiri, option C, Sundarbans, option D, none of these. And the right answer is option B, Nilgiri. So these are all 20 questions of chapter 2, Our Environment. In next video, we will be discussing the question and answers of chapter 3, Science and Technology. Thank you.